Okay. Okay, so why webinars? They are probably the highest converting activity that we can do. And a big part of that is that last bullet point there, the event side of webinars. The things that I'm learning from doing them and constantly engaging in webinars, and the kind of magic sauce that happens, one of the things that happens as opposed to a live call or even a live presentation is the audience interaction. Here you all are paying attention, which is awesome. And to a certain extent, you'll get a little bit of positive social feedback from each other by people nodding their head or a little vocal outburst from somebody when they go, yeah, if they agree, or a little bit of negative stuff if somebody folds their arms and sits back and doesn't like what you're saying. But when you do a webinar, the fact that you've got a live chat window off and open at the same time creates a whole new level of interaction and affirmation that can be happening through the webinar. So what you've done is you've created an event. Even though it's not a live event, it's the perception of an event, and people like being a part of that event, and they love the ability to interact and to be able to start to type, ask questions. And what I find in my webinars, the thing that's surprising me is almost all of my webinars, I have real content experts that join in and just share with the community. So if I'm doing one on Evernote, there's people that know as much as I do about Evernote. And as I'm talking along and doing my webinar content, people are asking questions. The content experts are jumping in and answering the questions and validating what I'm saying and giving different perspectives to it. And what does that do to your content? When you've got people that obviously know what they're talking about, jumping in and saying, yeah, I love that app. That's such a cool way to do things. Good idea. And that it just adds that much extra value as you go. Incredibly low cost. Low cost, not low energy, not low effort. You have to invest a tremendous amount of time and patience and energy and effort into producing the webinar, but the actual physical costs are tremendously low.